Hello, my name is Emily Rose, and I teach tarot readers and the mystically minded to read Lenormand like they're talking to a friend. And today we are here to explore everything you need to know about the dog card in Lenormand. Let's go ahead and get started. The dog is an animal that needs absolutely no introduction. Dogs are known for being loyal, being our friend, and they are typically creatures we can rely on, creatures that we can trust. So, what does a dog mean when it comes to Lenormand? In the wise words of Kendrick Lamar and Rihanna, loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. That's about sums up the dog card in the tiniest nutshell. Now, that being said, the dog can also represent friendship in some cases. It can also represent a trusted advisor of some kind, some type of professional or some type of person that we can trust that we might go to consult and get feedback from. Let's look at the dog in different contexts in Lenormand. If we are in a daily draw kind of context, a lot of times for me, the dog comes up as my actual dog, Mila, my little pit mix that's always laying next to me for all my videos. So the dog can literally mean your dog in daily draws. The dog can also represent friendship or friends in some way. It can also talk about someone you might be consulting that day. So maybe you have like a doctor's appointment, maybe you're going to go see a lawyer, maybe you're going to go see someone that you're going to get advice from in some way, like a counselor, someone like that. If we are in a work context, the dog can represent, like we were talking about, a trusted person of some kind. This could be someone that you consult, that you get advice from. It could be like a doctor, lawyer, could be also literally talking about the field of animals. Maybe it's a veterinarian of some kind. Also, the dog is talking about the work environment in some cases as well. It could be talking about a friendly vibe at work. Another kind of way to look at the dog, though, is it can also kind of be like teacher or boss's pet too, in some way, someone who's going to loyally following them. And I also see this a lot in workplace culture, that the dog could be saying like, this work culture is about loyalty and dependability and trust. If we are in a love context, this usually means that the relationship is built on friendship of some kind. It can also say that this relationship is really meant to be, in a lot of cases, you're really compatible. There's this friendship or this kind of sense of wanting to get along and being cordial in some way as well. Even if there's conflict going on in a relationship, if the dog comes up in that kind of context, then I could tell that, there's still hope for this relationship because they have that basis of friendship. That being said, sometimes clients will come and ask what's happening in my marriage or in my relationship. And in some cases, the dog can represent another person as well. You can always decide to charge the dog to represent a separate person card. If you are running out of people cards in your Lenormand deck to charge, the dog's a great solution along with the rider card. Either one you can charge. But if the dog shows up next to the moon or the heart or something like that, it could show a third person kind of entering into the picture. If we are describing someone's personality or their character and the dog comes up, we can tell that they're a trustworthy, friendly, reliable person. That is definitely the type of card you want to see when you want to make sure that you can depend on the person in question. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to get notified about any future videos. And if you would like to improve your Lenormand practice or even just get started reading Lenormand, I do have a totally free 3-lesson mini course that walks you through how to do a 3-card spread and gets you set up with a daily practice. I hope that you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching.